Hey Turbo crew, welcome back to AI Marketing Turbo. Today, I'm showing you how anyone can whip up studio quality videos using AI, no camera setups, no bulky editing software, and zero stress. We dove deep into this topic in our blog post at aimarketingturbo.com, so stick with me through the end. I've got an exclusive bonus tip you won't want to miss. Why AI video creation is a game changer. Picture cutting your production time in half, slashing costs, and still delivering videos that rival professional shoots. That's the power of AI video tools. Whether you're flying solo or leading a team, AI helps you brainstorm and prototype faster. Experiment with different styles and voices. Scale your video output without burning out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness these tools to crank out standout content. Step 1. Pick your go-to AI video platform. First up, choose the right AI video generator for your needs. Our top picks include Synthesia for lifelike avatars, Pictory to turn text into video scenes, Runway ML for advanced visual effects. Head over to aimarketingturbo.com for more information. Step 2. Write a script that hooks. No AI tool can save a weak script. Here's your foolproof outline. Grab attention in the first 5 seconds. Highlight the problem your audience faces. Reveal the solution, your AI-powered approach. Show proof, stats, testimonials, or real results. Call to action. Tell viewers exactly what to do next. Step 3. Generate your AI video. With your script in hand, paste it into your chosen AI platform. Select a voice and tweak pace, tone, and expression. Choose visuals, avatars, animated scenes, or stock clips. Play around until it feels like a natural conversation. Pro tip. Short, punchy sentences let the AI add realistic pauses and emphasis. Step 4. Polish and brand your video. Your AI draft is done. Now it's time to trim any awkward pauses. Add your logo, color palette, and lower thirds. Layer in background music to match your mood. Common hurdles and quick fixes. Even AI videos can hit snags. Here's how to smooth them out. Robotic voices? Slow down the speech rate or switch voice models. Lip sync issues? Try a different narration style or tighten your script. Generic backdrops? Upload custom images or feed more context to the AI. Advanced hacks to stand out. Ready to level up? Try these insider moves. Mix 2 AI tools, one for dynamic backgrounds, another for avatars. Pepper in short B-roll from free stock libraries. Add AI-generated captions for on-screen emphasis, boosts watch time by up to 12%. Quick recap plus your bonus tip. Today we covered choosing the right AI video platform, crafting a script that grips, generating AI-powered visuals and voiceovers, polishing with edits and branding, avoiding common pitfalls, applying pro hacks. And here's your bonus. Run an A/B test by swapping just the first 10 seconds in thumbnail. A tiny tweak can skyrocket your click-through rate. What's next? Your call to action. If you're ready to transform your video marketing, head over to aimarketingturbo.com right after this video. You'll find all the templates, deep dive tutorials, and bonus resources to start or scale your AI video strategy today. Before you go, make sure to subscribe for more AI marketing insights. Like this video if it helped you. Share with a friend who needs to up their video game. Comment your biggest AI video challenge, I'll jump in to help. Thanks for watching all the way through. Now go create some amazing AI videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to head over to aimarketingturbo.com for more information.